Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get free crypto just by using my Luno promo code. To start, open the app and create your free account. Confirm your account and create your 4-digit PIN. Luno is a trusted cryptocurrency app where you can buy, sell, and store popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. It's available in several countries, and one thing I love is how beginner-friendly it is. They even have a Learn section inside the app, where you can watch short lessons about crypto, how it works, and how to invest wisely. This way, you can even earn small rewards for completing those lessons. Once inside, look for the rewards section. You'll usually find it at the bottom menu. Tap on Enter Code and paste my promo code right here on the screen. It's also in the description box and pinned comment. Apply the code, and that's it. You'll get free crypto directly in your account once you meet the promo requirements. It's super easy, and the best part is, you can start exploring crypto without risking your own money. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and share it with your friends so they can claim their bonus too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.